access to the U-joint, I was taking out this storage area here in the spare wheel. Came to take this out, this would not budge at all. So top tip, go out, check that thing will come off, because what you do not want to do is be stuck at the road in the middle of the night and some rainy evening, can't get your spare wheel out when you've got a flat, so go and check it. But I need to get this out to be able to do the work I want to do on the U-joint, and also if I ever need the spare out, I need to do that. Just have a quick chat about what I tried to do to get this out. The first thing I did was obviously try and loosen it by hand. It would not come off. Trying to brute it as much as I could, so the next thing I tried was my trusty oil filter removal tool. So we got that on there, and that did budge it. However, apparently a common fault with these is that how this is it's a plastic cap, and on sunk into it is a nut, which then is the spindle going down, and the spindle is seized, and this now will not undo, and it's just spinning on the nut. So this here is going to have to come off to give me access to be able to get that spindle out. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take off this plastic cap so I can get access, at least then I can get the spare wheel off, and then I'll either get a replacement one of these once I've got the spindle out, or I shall make my own release tool. Okay, so there we have it. That's what happens is that just gives, the plastic just gives underway in there, and just spins on the top, and that's the nut there. So what we can try now is see if we can get a socket on that, see if it will release. If not, use some plus gas or WD-40 or GT85 down the spindle onto the thread, let it soak for a bit to release. Okay, so you'll be needing a 12mm socket on this. Okay. Oh, there we go, look. It's releasing straight off. Okay, so we can see on that thread that whoever owned a car before had never had this out, and had not lubricated, you know, a bit of perhaps copper grease on the end of that to make sure it didn't seal up. So I think what I may well do is either source a new one of these, or I may make my own custom one with a metal, perhaps a wing nut type top to replace that. But that's pretty much how you can get that out.